Hey friends, if you wish to change or what do we say, correct the date and time on your computer, then I will help you with the same. So, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now, in the settings menu, you have this option for time and language on the list on the left hand side. Once you click on it, select date and time, and now you have an option for changing the time zone. Make sure that it is correct. Make sure set time automatically is on, though it is on by default, and then click on sync now. This will make sure that the time on your computer is definitely correct. But if you wish to change it manually, you have the option for the same. Now, if you wish to change the language and region, then return to time and language and come here. And you will be able to change the language and also the country. Let's just say I want to change it from India to Iceland. So I can do that. Was this helpful? Please let us know in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.